disappointed sound boy, turning into dance soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Hey, what's up YouTube? I am Jimmy Sequence, and I am here to do this video now to kind of let you guys know what's going on with the next sound system roll call. So we did number 2, and number 2 went well, but again, we're trying to build this thing so it can be something that we can look forward to every first and third Sunday. Seen? And in order for us to do that, we need women. So again, fellas, I'm asking you guys to bring your girl, bring your wife. Yeah, I'm asking the man them star. Bring your girl, bring your wife. Tell your wife to bring their friends, your cousin, your auntie. Saying we want woman in the place. I mean, the thing going nice. We have a few ladies showing up, but we want women. And I am going to put, first thing, women are free from, we start at 6, so women are free from 6 to 9. We're really only charging $10 to come in, but women are free from 6 p.m. until 9 p.m. Saying, we're going to see what else we can do to kind of bring the ladies out, because we want ladies. We don't want no dance hall full of man alone. Saying, I know the sound system thing is kind of a man thing, but women love music too, so we want some women. Saying, we want women in the dance. We're gonna get some of the local hype DJ them for putting at the place, even though some of the men are not really into that, but because we're trying to build this thing, we have to actually use common sense, in. So we have to put the DJs that the people know, that will help to bring out the crowd. So we will still have a mix of the music. We'll have, you know, you can play your dubs. We don't want it to be a clash thing, so, but you can play your dubs. And, you know, you can play whatever you want to play, really, as long as you keep it respectable, you see? Now, this coming event is on the 2nd, see, February 2nd. So we will have sequence sound. That will be my sound. Then you have Hot Steppa sound. That's O'Neal. So this promotion is me and O'Neal, seeing Hot Steppa and Sequence. So yeah, the next one would be Sequence, Hot Steppa, Majesty, original sound. Majesty, our youth, them youth. We bust them youth then back in the way back in the days. So Majesty are our people, seeing. So Majesty is gonna be on it, and True Vibe. True Vibe, I'm a family. But yeah, this one I expect to be extremely nice, seeing. It'll be competitive. Now, I said this on the last one that we're really playing the sounds too hard, and the second one was no different. Everybody's trying to outplay everybody else. Again, I want us to string up the sound and test the sound. Saying when you string up test your sound, make sure everything is good. You can play it hard for a minute, saying, but we cannot, and I repeat, we cannot play the sound at full blast when the people are there, because it gets uncomfortable. And I noticed something that I will mention, right? A lot of sound man, because it's the first event I ever go to, and I hear sound men, because you know, sound man love sound, but these guys, a lot of sound men that you would expect to love the big sound thing, are complaining about the bass. I'm not sure what that is about. The bass is heavy, but to me, sound man love that, you see? So I don't understand why we're getting so much complaint about the bass and this and that. But I'm going to advise in the future, like I am going to lead by example, see? So what I'm going to do when I string up my sound, I'll test it and then I'll dial it back. See? Dial especially the bass back. The top end is nice and crispy and clean, but I'm gonna pull back on the bass a little bit, and I'm going to advise everyone to try to do that, because I don't really want that to be a reason why people find an excuse not to come because the sound them I play too heavy. And again, you know, in my mind, that is kind of why people would come out to hear sound, because hear sound I play wicked. But since they're complaining about it so much, I'm going to advise that we pull back on the bass a little bit. So again, this time we have sequence sound, hot stepper sound, true vibe sound, and Majesty. Each sound will have whoever their resident, owners, DJs are, and then we're allowing 2 DJs per sound. If you have 2 DJs, or even 3, we're not going to be too over the top strict on, just 2. It could be 3, as long as they you choose who you want. But we're trying to discourage the pouchy thing where every man show up with a laptop. Because, when you go over by the thing that they do on Friday nights, over by Carl, every man that show up with a laptop. You understand? And we're trying to discourage every man coming with a laptop expecting to get to play. That's not really what it's about. So we don't want to turn into a clash thing. Even though, again, I encourage you can play your dubs. Play your dubs, because everybody have dubs, so you can play your dub. That's what it's about. We like to keep the dub thing to the later part of the night, though, and not kind of kill the vibe by just playing straight dubs. So we can keep the dub thing for later on, and play music for the people, play music for the women. Again, we're encouraging women to come, so we want to play music so them can tell them friends, say, yeah man, I got a party over, so sound system roll call over the luxurious ballroom, and it was epic. See? So that's what I want. I want us to help to build it. So we don't want to tear it down before it builds. See? So this is the 3rd one. 2 of them gone so far, that was decent, and again I want it to continue to build. So big up on ourselves. See? Big up all of the sound men them. I will put sound there and everybody will get a chance. We have 8 bass speakers minimum. That would be 8 21s, 8 18s, 8 15s, whatever speakers you use for bass. We want a minimum of 8 bass speakers and your top ends to match. So everybody that have a minimum of 8 bass speakers that wants to be in it, I'm not going to discriminate. I'm going to give everybody a chance. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to have sounds that match each other. Like, I'm not going to bring the sounds that I consider to be a little weaker and put them in with the bigger sounds, because to me that I feel like, just like if you go to a car race, people are put in their class where they race with cars that is similar situated. So I want to do that. We want to match sound with sound. We want to bring in some powered sound to at some point. Them have a whole powered sound will have more than 8 speakers. So I'm going to encourage that part of it too, because so powered sound are sound series, so we're bringing some of the powered sound, bringing some of the smaller sound, and make everybody feel included. We don't want to discriminate. We want to keep it so everybody can feel like they are part of the system. See? So anyway, the next one again is February 2nd, sequence, hot stepper, true vibe, and Majesty. Alright, so look forward to seeing you guys at this event. Big up yourself, tell everybody about it. See? Alright.
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the dance soul. A disappointed sound